I will give the clue here that, so now see that they're asking if they're connected in series connection. So some amount of transferred, heat transferred in 9 seconds. Now I want to transfer same amount of heat in a parallel connection, but what is the time taken they are asking. So now here the clue which I will give you is, all of you observe very carefully. We all knows that R is equals to L by K. So what is the relation between R and K? Anybody? R and K is what? Anyone can tell? Inversely proportional to, speak guys, inversely proportional to what? Each other. Now the given one, all of you observe. So given one, when they're connected in series, this is K and this is 2K. Means what is the resistance of this one? If this is, all of you see, if this is 2K means resistance is what? We all knows that. Direct inversely
R by D.
to each other. No. Double ra, check it Rudresh. Don't be confused. If this is 2K means, see, here this is K and this is
Yes, sir.
2K.
Only R.
Yeah. Now this is 2K means what is this one? R. And this is
R,
K
sir.
means what is this one? 2R. Am I right or wrong?
2R.
Or no? Please respond. If this is half,
Yes, sir.
that is double. If that is double, this is half. Am I right, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
guys? Yes? Please respond. Same way, when we connected in parallel also. So what will happen? If this is K means thermal conductivity, what is the resistance of that? 2R. If this is the 2K means what is the resistance? R. Please respond. Do you understand this point or not? Yes? All of you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
Remember that you can easily solve. So we all knows that H is equals to, what is the formula? H is equals to, everybody? H is equals to what? Yes, please respond. H is equals to what? Q by T.
QVT.
Why I am using this one? Can you tell me? Because if
Time
you
period.
want to find the time, first you need to know how much amount of heat transferred. Am I right or wrong, everybody? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So Q is equals to H into T I am doing. So why I am doing this one? Anybody can tell? Because in the same amount of heat is transferred in parallel connection. So we should find that time only. Am I right, guys? Respond everybody. So this Q
Yes.
is equals to this Q. So both if I equate it, I'll get the answer. Is it right or wrong? All of you, please respond. So that's all it is now. So I'm doing first series connection. So series connection, I'm trying to find the Q. So let me see who will help me to find. So first, this is K and this is 2K. If this is K means this is 2R. If this is 2K means this is what? Everybody, both are inversely proportional to each other. Clear everybody? Respond guys. If this is K means this is 2R and this is 2K means this is R. Okay, wow. Everyone? Yes? In series connection, what is the equivalent resistance? Speak loudly. What is the equivalent resistance? Because we all knows that H is equals to what? Delta T divided by RE. What is the equivalent resistance, Ra? Speak loudly, Ra. R1 plus R2. So which is equals to what? R1 is 2R. R2 is R. Which is equals to what is the equivalent resistance, Ra? Nobody is saying. Equivalent resistance is how much? 3R. So which is equals to delta T divided by 3R. This is what is the H. So now we all know T1 is equals to 9 seconds. So Q is equals to H into T1. So H is equals to delta T divided by 3R into 9. So 3 ones are 3 threes are, which is equals to 3 delta T divided by R. So this is the amount of heat transferred in how much time? Anybody? 9 seconds. Now the same amount of heat is transferred, but what is the time taken in parallel connection they are asking. So parallel connection means we all knows that equivalent resistance. How much raw parallel connection equivalent resistance? Everybody? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Ma simplest concept. Concept area very tough. K means it is what? 2R. Here 2K means it is a what? R. So which is equals to 2R plus R. So which is LCM is 2R. 2R means here what is there? 1 plus 2. So 1 divided by RE. So RE is equals to 2R divided by 3. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Are you all clear? Yes. So now, what is the H formula? H is equals to what is the formula? Delta T divided by RE. So delta T divided by RE value 2R by 3. 3 will go up. So 3 delta T divided by 2R. So we all knows that Q is equals to H into T2. So H value is how much ra? H value is how much ra? 3 delta T divided by R into T2. Is it okay, guys? This is the Q. Yes or no? Speak loudly. All
Yes,
of
sir.
you. Yes. So what else we know? Same amount means Q in series is equals to Q in parallel. So that is all. So equate it. What else? 3 delta T divided by R is equals to 3 delta T divided by 2R into T2. So everything you can simply say what is the answer? By this time you can get it. Delta T cancel, RR cancel, 3 cancel. So which is equals to 1 is equals to T2 divided by 2. So T2 is equals to how many seconds, Ra? T2 is equals to how many seconds?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Narayan, you know how many mark this question? This is 5 mark question in JEE Advance. So imagine people 4 mark or 5 mark question. So if you are good in concept, do you think it is tough to solve this question? All of you? Clear? Everyone? Yes, please. So this is what you have to remember. So time is equals to how many seconds? 2 seconds. Clear? Everybody
Yes,
solve.
sir.
Yeah. See, one JEE advanced sum, if you are good in concept, here the only logic behind is that R is inversely proportional to thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity decreases, resistance increases. So here thermal conductivity is 2K, so resistance is R. Then thermal conductivity is K means resistance is 2R because both are inversely proportional to each other. Do you all understand, everyone? If you know this logic, nobody will stop us. That's all it is. Directly we'll get the answer. So everything is very simple. Any difficulty, Pradosh? You can ask me. Clear? Sudresh, can able to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what is about conduction. I hope I am very clear. So then we do not have any second mode of heat transfer, convection. So no convection is for there for you in thermal properties. So directly then tomorrow we are going to start a concept, call it as a radiation. So radiation is the another concept, so which is completely theoretical and very less numericals will be there. So this is also one of the big concept. So compulsory we need to study. So after that, there is some black body theory also will come in this concept only, black bodies. So first time you might be going to study. So we'll discuss it. So make it everybody till here. If you have time now, so 6:20, now 4:25 up to 5 o'clock. Select any 4 sums from the NCERT. You can take NCERT, you might be noticed many examples are there. Just if you try these examples, 100% it will be going to helpful for us in the practice. So I'll show you, you can see. I think it's a chapter number 2 or 3. 3 correct, Rudresh?
Yes, sir.
Third chapter. So if you notice it, Mr. Prados, have you solved that? Narayan, I want to know. Have you completed that sum? Can you do so again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you see here, there will be a questions related to this, examples and all. So please try to solve. Definitely it is going to be useful. I know that nothing is solved, but you need to solve now. It's time to solve. You can see. This is one of the good question where you can do it. Okay. So you all can see same similar formula, similar thing. Just no need to scare. See just the question what we solved. Now this IIT advanced question, have you noticed that? Is there any change? Have you noticed that? The question what we solved is K and 2K. Here they are giving iron and brass. Am I right, guys? Do you understand?
Yes,
So it's
sir.
direct question. Nothing else is there. So no need to fear. Just solve. If you're solving, it will be there. Of course, convection is there, but the sea breeze, land breeze, and all. So it is a theoretical part only. You can study convection, sea breeze, and land breeze. Directly we'll go to radiation and black body radiation. This all we are going to discuss in the tomorrow's class. Here, convection, there is no kind of numerical. Just Even formula is also not there, just a theoretical part. That land breeze, sea breeze, and all, like we can say fluids. Fluids, basically convection will takes place. Now without a medium, radiation. So that radiation will discuss. Radiation after we have a concept of I think this is the only concept. Newton's law of cooling. So Newton's law of cooling is over. This concept is over, and here this is Stephen Boltzmann law. This is also one of the most important law. So that will finish it. Okay. Then we'll go to thermodynamics. Now your duty is to solve this example. Compulsory. Everybody solve this. 10.7. Now you solve after this class. And 10.6. This both you try to solve. So definitely you'll experience the difficulty. Nothing else you see. H1 is equals to H2. If you equate it, you'll get the answer. Nothing else. Okay. So no need to fear. Solve the two examples and report me. Then only we'll proceed further. Thank you everybody. We'll meet tomorrow.